So, 3 weeks ago, I dived head on to learn all the new AI tools and grow a successful channel on YouTube. I've tested a number of tools like Eleven Labs for voiceovers and KlingAI for animations and ChatGPT I've really tested thoroughly and used every day for scripts and so on. And also done some music with SunoAI and so on. I have some successful clips. That one video that blown up, a short that made me like 320 subscribers, and on one of my channels and 20 on the other. So it was just a template from CapCut. So stay tuned. I will go through all the different big wins and losses these 3 weeks. So the tools I've learned these 3 weeks are Eleven Labs for voiceovers. I've done a lot of voiceovers and pasted them into CapCut and so on, but I think CapCut has pretty good voiceovers themselves. I will explore that later on as well. But I have just tested it out and bought a subscription to play with it 1 month. They have a lot of voices, and I think you can do a lot more than I've done these past 3 weeks with Eleven Labs. And also I've dived into CapCut, and they have a lot of possibilities. I recently discovered they had an AI tool that you can make shorts pretty fast, like 5-6 minutes. And you have a full script. You just generate a script, and then you add the images, and then they add the voiceover and the captions and so on. I'm not sure if it's a pro thing or not, but I've really discovered it lately here. We can make videos very quick and longer videos as well. But they are like AI slope that they call it, but I will use it for exciting stuff that is hard to explain, or I will also dig deeper into that one. And the KlingAI I have tested thoroughly and made some animations with a cat and so on. I will show it here later into this video. And also I've done a lot of music with SunoAI and make some music videos with a combination of different tools, as I can show as well here later on. Also I have tested Lemonslice HedraAI for lip sync for the music videos when I want the characters to sing and so on. And I will dig deeper into that and figure out which is the best tool, because I want one that has lip sync to make my animations talk and sing and so on further down the road. So stay tuned. Also, don't forget, I've done a lot of testing in ChatGPT for images, also scripts, and also summaries for making this video, some scripts and bullet points, and yeah, a lot of stuff. So stay tuned for next.
So I asked ChatGPT to make me a graceful Pixar cat. I literally typed, "Make me a graceful, elegant Pixar-style cat." This was supposed to...
Hey, George Braham, he was right. You might have. So don't you like.
Born in a cage by
Woke up fresh in a bed of moss, bamboo toothbrush, no dental floss. Sipping on a smoothie made of bark and berries. Check my stats, still top 10 cryptids babies. I vlog with the log, shooting 4K.
So, my first viral video was a CapCut template I found. I thought it was nice, and someone in the comments of the template said it worked very good for them. So I just tested on one of my channels, and it blowed up. On this channel I think it got like 1,500 views or something, so not that much, but I get a lot of subscribers. In the video they ask for subscribers as well. And then okay, let's test it on the other channel as well, because it's more animation-like, so it works good on the General Lovskan channel. So I added it there as well, and they blowed up, and like 33,000 views and 320 subscribers, and it's first real video that blowed up. So I need to learn something from this, but I'm not sure if the subscribers are real or they just subscribe because the little girl asks for it. I will show it here after this. Now enjoy the video.
Subscribe.
Nope.
Will you subscribe?
So let's be real, YouTube is really hard, at least when you're a small content creator going against the big teams or production companies, or what they call it, the bigger channels. They have a lot of money from the previous videos, and they can invest all the new money into making even better content. And with AI, that could be pretty expensive to make the longer videos and more creative stuff. So it will be like, for small content creator, they make one video with 1 minute. Maybe it's really good, but no one is seeing it because they don't have the push, or they need to make like 10 of these videos before one of them hits and people find the other videos. But in the end, I think people will find the good content and so on. AI is also making the bigger channels have more power to make the gooder things, better things. But on the other side, the small channels will have a chance to make a very good videos with AI, and also they don't need to hire people to make the editing and making descriptions and content and script and so on. You can use AI, ChatGPT for that. So the smaller channels will have a easier road going ahead with AI, I think. So instead of YouTube, I've also rebranded my other channels, like my Instagram account that have 15,000 followers, and also Threads that have like 1,600 followers, and also testing out a bit on TikTok as well. It could be good to like see what videos that works on the different channels and what sticks, and then we can make a test a video on TikTok and see if that blows up. You know, it would be really good for the short videos on YouTube and Instagram as well. And there are different kind of people, different kind of formats, and maybe some video blows up in one channel that wouldn't blow up on another channel. So it could be good to diversify a bit and grow on different platforms. And also if you're suspended for YouTube or something, then you have the other channels as well to reach out to the viewers or subscribers, or what you call it. So I will continue that and see how it goes, and we'll keep it posted here as well, how that the difference is about from the channels, if YouTube are better or TikTok, or if it's Instagram that rules and so on. I think one big lesson with all my research and so on, and that is quality is better than quantity in the long run. So my focus going forward will be like having, if you do a short, I will try to have it in higher quality, or do a very good mix about the quantity and quality. And I have the shorts I can do in CapCut. It's really easy to do, and it could be good to push out just to have something coming out all the time, and mix it with the longer videos that I work with during the weeks, or can take a long time to make some longer videos with, at least with the AI tools and syncing everything and music, and maybe if you have some fun singing and lip sync and all that things. It's really time consuming and in the editing and so on. But I think in the long run quality is better than quantity, so I will try to mix in some high quality with the quantity during the off season, what you call it, during when I do the other edits. So that's been a big focus forward, and I think you should think that everything you release on your YouTube channel should be in front of a big crowd, and you should not be embarrassed but what you send out and so on. In the past 2 weeks, I've mostly made content that's faceless, what you call it, AI faceless, and I do a voiceover and a lot of animations and different stuff. And going forward, I'll try to show my face more. I think it's in this environment, I think you need to show some personality behind the movies and things you create, because everything is AI made now, and maybe people can think that I am AI made here as well, so or at least in the coming years. So I will try to be more visible and I'll comment on my own videos and describe what I think was good, and ask for maybe some likes in a remix that I did earlier this today. So I will going forward, I will try to make some more of these vlogging videos, but I think I will skip to make them in the car because the sound is so bad. So I will try to make them at least in a quiet environment, then the mic is better and so on. So that's my focus going forward, and I will mix the AI faceless with face. That's my thing. Also because the faceless videos is easy to make and goes fast, but I think viewers want to have a mix, and that's why I will go into experiment with it going further in coming weeks. As I said, in the coming weeks I will try to talk more to the camera, make a good mix of videos and longer format, and learn some longer animation videos and mix it with the shorts. And also I'll also do some quick videos with the tip and tricks what I've learned. So maybe a short video, but I learn how to make a thumbnail on the YouTube Shorts and or other things I've picked up during these weeks when I'm researched and tested and trial and errors. So many how-to videos. I hope you like them and follow. So if you followed my journey so far, thank you. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button or like button. I will keep you posted on the new adventures, and I've learned a lot these past 3 weeks. I think we'll learn a lot more in the coming weeks. So please subscribe and like. It means the world to me, and we will see you in the coming videos.